Hi guys, just wanted to do a quick update on what I've been up to. I know I haven't uploaded in about 4 months, but I've been pretty busy working on my workshop. We're currently in my 3D printing area. There's enough room on this bench for 3 printers. I've got my T-Rex already set up here, and I've got a Formbot Raptor that's currently inside. I'm just tinkering with it, but once it's ready, I'll probably stick it on one of the side bits. And then I've got enough space for another printer there. That's my old Wanhao D9, which I haven't used in over a year. And I've got enough space over here as well. That's just some packaging. And then I made this wall just to enclose this entire area, so in winter I can just pull the door over and it'll be a nice sealed controlled area. And then I've also built a new workbench. This took quite a few months to make. I had to build it all by scratch, but I'm pretty pleased with it. And then I also had to wire up some electrics, which I got my brother to help me with, because I haven't got a clue when it comes to electrics, but that conduit runs all the way to the back and powers the printers in the back there. And then over here I've just got a lot of wood cut off, and that's going to be enough space there for maybe another workbench, and then another workbench there maybe, but there's plenty of space here to grow into it. That box down there is the Aquaman giveaway, which I know is late, which I apologize for, but I'll be doing that giveaway in the next few days. And then also I had to make a spray booth, because I can't really do any spray painting in here anymore because of the mess that it makes. Plus if you do any kind of spray painting, you'll know you can't really go in the area until all the fumes have gone. So I've made a spray booth, and that's outside, so I'm just going to show you that now. It's just a standard 8x4 shed. And there's enough space in here just for the one table. This is my old work table, and you'll probably recognize it. There doesn't have to be a lot of space in here, because it's only just for spray painting, but I want to get some extractor fans put in here. So yeah, that's a good improvement. And I'm just going to show you now what I've currently been printing over the last few months. Okay guys, so I might not have been uploading, but my printers haven't stopped for the last 4 months, and as you can see I got plenty printed. Start at this end, we got the Death Trooper. I'm not quite sure if it's 1:1 scale, it might be just a little bit short of that. We've got the Dark Knight, which I've cut his head off in Mesh Mixer for a reason, which I'll get into when I actually make that video. We got the Thing and the Right-Handed Doom, which that's a 1:1 scale, so that's pretty big. And I'm planning on doing both of them, the Thing and the Right-Handed Doom, in concrete. Then we got Hellboy, Spider-Man, Captain America, and the Death Trooper helmet, which isn't quite 1:1 either. It's like about an inch short of being 1:1. And down there in that bag I've got a Master Chief model from Game Body. So I've got plenty to go at. If you want, you can leave in the comment section what model I should start with. I'm thinking of starting maybe with Spider-Man. Do something easy to get back into it. But yeah, I hope you like the look of some of these builds, because they're going to be pretty good. I think I'll be able to do some giveaways as well with some of these. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.